More than 2 million people die every year from waterborne diseases.
There's really been a concerted effort to mischaracterize the degree of the threat that's facing us.
These chemicals were designed for warfare. Now they are in our drinking water.
People think they don't have to worry because they buy bottled water. Well, we have news for them.
And we are altering ecosystems that took millions of years to evolve.
We're treating the water resources of the planet with contempt, which is so stupid because we'll only survive for a day or two if we don't have water.
We have wars going on in the world over pricing of oil. And if we take the same path with water, that's oil all over again.
Water is now a $400 billion global industry.
There are private corporate interests that have decided water is going to be put on the open market for sale.
Tout est contrôlé, vicié. Simplement, les gens ne le savent pas.
These people are poor, they don't have a choice.
People are to pay regarding what they consume.
Water is a natural resource, water is a common resource, water is not a property.
That's just common sense. You look at the sun, do you own the sun?
How can you buy or sell the sky, the warmth of the land? The idea is strange to us.
Either we fight or we die, and I say we fight.
We have to collectively find the political will to save the world's water sources.
There is no substitute for clean, fresh water. There is no substitute, and that's why water must be protected everywhere.
And I have no doubt that we will win. 21st century is going to be the century of common people.